What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the end of your damaged garden hose. If you guys are new to this channel, consider subscribing. I do a lot of these DIY videos and automotive projects. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so the end of your hose is probably either missing or damaged like this one. The threads are missing. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cut this part off. You can use like a razor blade or some regular old scissors. There we go. Next we're going to want to take this. This is our replacement nozzle. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a new one of these. I had this on another hose, but it just comes like this and like this, the collar and the end. And the end we're going to put into the end of our hose. And you may need to heat this up with some boiling water or put some soap or grease on this to really get it in. Alright, I put a little Vaseline on. Let's see if that does the trick. Alright, there we go. Got it hammered in. Now, I have done this before. Boiling water is the easiest, but I wanted to make it difficult, apparently. Okay, now I'll take the screws out of the collar. Now the collar comes apart in two halves. We're going to put the one half underneath and then one half on top. Alright, now we'll just put our screws in. Tighten each side down good and tight, alternating between the two sides so it's nice and even. There we go. Now let's make sure it works. Alright, awesome. No leaks either. They also make the same system for connecting two different hoses together. Say if you had a kink or you just needed to connect two pieces together to make it longer. Alright guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up for me, subscribe to my channel, and check out my other videos. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.